Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and guess what? I have an unbagging. Guess from where? You got it, Amazon. As if it would be from anywhere else. Well, I mean it could be, but it's not. It's from Amazon. So, alright. So, thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all, and please consider hitting that like button, share, subscribe, notification, all that YouTubey stuff. And let's go ahead and get on to this. So I'm gonna open this one first. So I seen this one the other night while I was on Amazon and could not sleep, of course, and I just got a little tickled at it, so I had to get it. So it comes with a squishy, a pink pen, it looks like maybe a 6-placer and a 3-placer, some baggies, 2 squares of wax, and a white tray with a spout. Alright, and this one is a full round poured glue, and they are pre-kitted in the little baggies, which is fine by me. I don't prefer this method, but if they come like this, I leave them like this. So they look pretty good. The only complaint that I would say would be that the only thing on these baggies is the number. That's it. So, alright, so what is this one? Y'all look. I seen this and I had to get it. And it says, assuming I'm just an old lady was your first mistake. And it's got this little hippie woman throwing up the peace sign. She's got her shades on. She's got a bandana. She's got her vest and her flowers. I love it. So there's the thumbnail, if you can see it. And it is a 30 by 40. There are 22 colors. And the DMC numbers are on the schematic. And it looks like we have numbers and letters. And it has a schematic and a thumbnail on both sides. So, let's see. Very sticky. And the drill field looks awesome, y'all. Look at that. And every bit of this is confetti. And look, or not confetti, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. Well, yeah, I do. I was pointing at this, but I was looking at this. This isn't confetti. But all of this is color blocking. And even some of the flowers are color blocked. So this is going to go quick, y'all. But look at her. Isn't she pretty? Oh, I love this one. But this is me. This is absolutely me. And I loved it. So what did I get for this? I gave $4.99 for this, y'all. Under $5. So what do y'all think? I like it. Alright, so let's look at this other one. Alright, so this one, I seen this one, and I really liked it, but, well, alright, so it comes with your regular toolkit. Well, it ain't neither. There's 2 pens in there, and one has got, looks like a 7-placer. It's got the green tray, or green boat with a squishy, and 2 things of wax and some baggies. Alright. Now this is a poured glue, so I'm going to roll it backwards so I can get it to lay flat a little bit. And let's see. It has the canvas number on the baggies, but the colors are really pretty. We got blacks and white, gray, pink, red, different colors of gray, orange, yellow, blues, purples, greens, more reds, just about every color in there. Alright, so this is the image, and what got me was, well, everything. I really like everything, but the green chair, for some reason, just struck me. I remember my grandmother had one of these old green metal chairs, but hers had the round seat, and I remember she used to have it sitting out on her porch, and it was like parts of it, the paint had flecked off, and you could see like the rust in the on it, and it was green. And that's what this put me in mind of, was her old chair that used to sit on the porch. But I love the flowers, all the wildflowers. But like I said, this is a 30 by 40, and then there's the thumbnail. It's a teeny tiny thumbnail. But this has got 32 colors. The DMC is on the canvas, and we've got letters, numbers, and just a few symbols. And the schematic is on both sides. Very sticky, so that's good. But yeah, look at that. There is some color blocking, a lot of confetti, and then we've got more color blocking. It's a little bit of both, but the drill field looks really good. So, have y'all seen this one? So this one was $4.98. But I thought it was very pretty. And like I said, what got me was the chair. I love the whole image, but what got me was this chair. This old green chair. I just thought it was very similar to my Mamaws old green chair. But yeah, I really like this one. So what do y'all think? Which one's your favorite? I like them both. I really do. So, okay, y'all. This was just a quick little video to show y'all what I got from Amazon. Again, I really need to stay off there. Lord. But it's hard, especially when you have insomnia and you can't sleep and there's nothing else to do. You've watched all the YouTube, and you know, there's only so much you can do on Facebook, and yeah, you just head right on over to Amazon and then you get in trouble. So, alright, anyway, y'all, this is what I got this time, so y'all let me know what you think. And as always, I will put this in the description box, and I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.